Okay, now continuing on, I sort of got cut off on the other one, but it's okay. It's okay. Let me turn the calculator back on. So here, I went on, I put the information on the calculator so you see that there's no graph there because we can't see it. So we need to make our window look like this window. Because of the 40, the y-intercept is up here, and this is going up to what? 6.67 or 6700. So I'm going to change the window. So we're going to press menu. Remember the last time we went to the wrong thing, so go to window. Let's go straight to it. Window setting, let's change it. The minimum for x is 0. Enter. The max we have here is really 46. So let's go ahead and put 46 there. Enter. And I finish it? We don't have all. I pressed enter instead of going down. So we got part of it. So go back, press menu. It's okay. Press enter, enter, enter. Skip count by 2. Then go to the Y min, that's 0. Then here it's going up to that's 110, that's 115 because it's skip counted by 5. And then put 5 there and press enter. And then you can see the graph. You can see it. Yay! Aren't you happy that you can see it? And you see, I messed up on the scale. And you probably, how do you know? Because up here it says 115, so I switched it. So I'm just showing you when you do things, just go back and fix it. It's okay. So go back. The X is 150. You see how I had switched that up? I was calling that the Y or whatever. That's 150. And see what happened? You press enter. I should have. Yeah, keep going back. It's okay. Enter. Okay, 0 to 115. And it skip counted by 5s. 5, 10, 15. So it skip counted by 5. 0 is the minimum. For Y, the max for Y is 46. Because the last time I said it differently. The Y is skip counted by 2 because that's 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, and so on. You see what happened? You don't say, oh, I messed up. You just fix it. It's okay. And as math people, we don't do things correct like you guys think we do all the time. We keep trying. We don't give up. We say, oh, okay, or whatever, I messed up, do it over. Just like I did, and it's okay. That's how we learn. So now you can see a better picture of the slope. The slope of the linear function. So now I know that it's up here. And I'm looking, you see in the graph how it's coming down, it's slanting down, it's decreasing left to right because of the slope. So you know how the graph's supposed to look. So now let's get some points so we can have it more accurate. So we're gonna press menu and we're gonna go to the table. Enter, enter. Then you have the table there and you have your graph. And on here we have our table. So on the table, guys, this right here, this 40 is not the X. It's an X right there. It's an X, so all of these values for the X. So here I'm gonna write 0, 40. It's a real world situation, so we're gonna keep it in the quadrant 1. So I got 0, 0, 40, 0, 1. Then I'm gonna skip. Now all of them gonna be decimal. Go up. I got 1732. You see what I'm doing? There you go. I'm looking for it. It's okay if you do it this way. You don't have to I had 34, 24. I don't have to use the, what do you call it? The decimals if I don't want to. I could just look for the whole number. 51, 16. And you just look for some. Or you use this up 68, 8. Ooh, 85, 0. Ooh, watch me. Watch me do this. Here we go. 0 is the X value. So guess what that tells me about this point? That is my y-intercept. Okay? Y. This right here, y is 0. So guess what? That's my x-intercept. Okay? Guys, what does this x represent? X, remember, number of pounds of fertilizer. So this your fertilizer. Oh, guys, write yours neater. Sorry. Here, number of pounds of pesticide. So here for your your x intercept, your y intercept, is telling us, hey, when you buy no fertilizer and you buy 40 pounds of pesticides, you're gonna spend $340. That's what the y intercept telling you. Here, the x intercept say, hey, you can buy 85 pounds of fertilizer and no pesticides, and you're gonna spend $340. Okay. So here she can only buy, if she buy 85 pounds of fertilizer, she cannot buy any pesticides. The y-intercept, if one to buy 40 pounds of pesticides, she cannot buy any fertilizer. That is what the y-intercept meant and what the x-intercept. You probably need to rewind so you can see what I'm saying. I only need 2 points, guys, to graph. I have the graph. Okay? I need 2 points. And the points here is 0, 40, and then I got here 85. 85, 0. But guess what? Guess what? Do you think I'm going to connect those points? Is this a continuous graph or discrete? Can I really buy, if I'm buying it by, am I buying bags? Ooh, they didn't say bags, did they? They said she wants to spend fertilizer and pesticides for her garden beds. A pound. Ooh, can you buy a portion of pounds? So if this right here, these are in pounds, can we buy portions? And when I say portion, I'm talking about partial. Like, can I buy half of a pound, a fourth of a pound? Yes, you can. So guess what? It really is continuous. This is a continuous graph because you can buy